You can order the rear bumper used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws holding the license plate holder. Then, remove the license plate holder. Using a fork, remove the 2 plastic rivets by prying the central part. Next, using a ratchet and a 15mm socket, unscrew the first 2 rear bumper retaining bolts. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Position yourself under the vehicle. Remove the power connector from the hitch socket. Then, disconnect the 2 power connectors from the license plate bulbs. To do this, pull on the red tab and remove the connector. Now you need to unscrew the 4 rear bumper retaining bolts. Using a ratchet and a 15mm socket, unscrew the first 2 bolts. Then, remove them. Then, unscrew the other 2 retaining bolts. Remove the protective cover from the rear bumper retaining bolt in the hitch. Lastly, using a ratchet and a 1/8 inch socket, unscrew the retaining bolt. You can now remove the rear bumper. You can order the rear bumper to be painted used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Install the new rear bumper. Then, screw the rear bumper retaining bolt back onto the hitch. Tighten securely. Put the protective cover back on. Position yourself under the vehicle. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Then, screw the 4 rear bumper retaining bolts back in. Reconnect the 2 power connectors to the license plate bulbs. Then, lock them. Reconnect the power connector to the hitch socket. Screw the last 2 rear bumper retaining bolts back in. Then, put the rivets back in place. Put the license plate holder back in place, then screw in its 4 retaining screws. Operation complete.